I thought you guys might want to take a look at these sweet babies as they're sleeping. They're normally very rambunctious, but we ate and played, and so just give you a chance to kind of get a close-up look at all of them. And they're sleeping. There's little Shampson. They're pretty precious when they're pretty precious always, but they're really precious when they're sleeping. There's Sledge. Yeah, yes. All the way over here, Miss Independent, is Miss Paisley. She decided to go sleep in the corner. There you go. Hope you guys enjoy seeing your babies today at 5 weeks old.